Chill. Stop. Oh wow. Again?
Has he recorded himself with Steve?
Okay, so welcome to another video. We're going to be servicing the Civic tyre part today. Gonna park it, drive it over these rails. Again, it's going to be helping the person to service the Civic tyre part. Ignore my brother. So we've got some parts from OP's oil. Best of the best. So we've got Miller's oil now drive, and the reason why I've got that is because recommendations, these are probably the best of the best oils you can get for a Civic tyre part. There are other oils that you can get, but they're already in there. So we've got Red Lion synthetic oil for the gear, for the transmission fluid, but I'm not going to be changing those today. That'll be another day. These are the spark plugs. They are the Denso. Oh, the corner now. So the Denso spark plugs. A lot of people said you could do NGK. They're quite cheaper, but these are quite expensive. But they are the best of the best. The reason why I want to do that is to get to the best of the best. Again, filter. These are all from OP's oil, so they recommended me to get this filter, the spark plugs, and them oil. So yep. So that's that. So now again, my brother's gonna be driving it onto the metal thing. You're gonna drive onto the thing, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so make sure you don't crash it. Yeah, hold on. Whoa. Say again? Yeah, try it. Come on. The bumper, it didn't.
Okay, let's do one side first.
One side. Go on. Oh wait, stop. Wait. Go on. Yeah, he is. Chill. Stop. Oh my god, you damaged the bumper.
No, is it under? Is it under, yes or no?
Go back to get it. Oh my god. Right.
Don't worry about it. Should we get the bumper off first?
Don't worry about it, it's okay. Everything happens by God's will.
No?
So we're going to be using the jack to lift up the car now, yeah?
Blue jacks?
The blue one. Okay, so we're going to get underneath the car. The brake pads are pretty good. The suspensions, everything. It's a very solid car. It's very hard, this one is. Okay, gloves on. Okay, there we go. You guys can see that? Yeah. And there's the oil filter, you guys can see. Right there. So oil filter will be changed as well. Hard work that was. So brother says to me, you remove the oil cap.
Yeah. Bro said,
Yeah,
the oil cap.
that's what you said.
Oh,
This one here.
Yeah.
So what happens if I release this then? More oil will come out.
Yeah, the more you
Let's have a look quickly.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Kinda.
Okay, now,
Kinda.
Yeah. I'll show you how to get more drench.
How? What the hell is that?
Blow through there. Yeah, that's what it's for, table. You go.
Can you guys see that?
No, do it again.
Still coming out, guys. That's crazy. Learned something new today.
I'll show show you how. I'll show you how. Look down there.
Okay, go on.
Look down there. Watch. Come on.
Go on then. Oh wow. Again. Okay, that's good. Good stuff. Alright.
Okay, now.
Kill you, that can. It's dangerous stuff, that is. Dangerous stuff. But I think that's enough. That will do, that will do. Fantastic work, that is. Well done, brother. For you guys again, so it's all together, this was £145, some opioids. Okay, that as well. Let's get the old oil out. Oh wow, that's black. That's black. Let's see if I can get there. They're only supposed to be a handbrake, so I don't know why. Tightened up the oil filter, put the oil nut back in, time to screw the wheel back on and drop the car down. Yeah, give me the gun.
That's 4 wheels.
Reverse. Oh, you wanna have a go, go on then.
Yeah.
Go on, superhero. Whoa, wrong way, mate.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, what the hell? That's enough, that's enough, whoa, man. Okay, go on. Push it in, yeah. Go on then. Yes, Chris! We're getting there, Whoa! How long would you? Chris, my neighbour, the legend is.
2 hands. That's it, no more.
Okay, doing a wonderful job here. Whoa!
Yeah, look at that.
It's a bit over the top.
That's perfect.
Off it goes over when you start it up.
Don't worry. What's that?
So yeah, we're going to change the spark plugs on the Civic Type R. So again, Denso spark plug. Now you got to take these ones off. Okay. Okay, so everything is, all the spark plugs are back into the engine, and now we're going to do the first start of the car. Okay, in the name of God, let's start the car. Hopefully it works. Running so good so far, I need to get petrol, I do. Let's get the sound of the engine. She seems to be running fine, so I'm actually going to go for a drive in this and see how this car is driving, and I'll probably get my brother to drive this and get some reaction of this new drive of the Civic after years being parked up, over a year. So yeah, so glad, and I hope if people ever service the Civic Type R, they've learned something from the video, and yeah, so you know, hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye, peace be upon everybody, God bless.